Imagine this. The world consumes a staggering 160,000 terawatt-hours of energy every year. That's a number so immense it's almost impossible to grasp. To put it in perspective, a single terawatt-hour is equivalent to 1 trillion watt-hours. That's enough to power 10 million homes for an hour. Now let's break down this colossal consumption. Nearly half of it is gulped by industries, powering everything from factories to data centers. Around a quarter is consumed by our homes, from running appliances to charging our devices, and the remainder fuels our transportation, driving cars, flying planes, and moving goods around the globe. In short, our modern lifestyle is incredibly energy hungry. We're constantly drawing on our planet's resources, often in ways that are unsustainable and damaging to our environment. With such substantial energy needs, could the sun be our savior? Now consider this. A single solar panel produces about 1,000 kilowatt hours per year. So, let's break it down a bit. A kilowatt hour is a unit of energy equivalent to 1 kilowatt of power sustained for 1 hour. To put it in perspective, if we go back to our previously mentioned terawatt hour, 1 terawatt hour is a staggering 1 billion kilowatt hours. But it's not as simple as just installing a panel and reaping the benefits. The amount of energy a solar panel can produce depends on several factors. Firstly, the location matters. A panel in sunny California is going to produce more energy than one in cloudy London. Secondly, the tilt of the panel plays a critical role. It needs to be positioned to catch the maximum amount of sunlight. Lastly, the hours of sunlight in a day directly affect the energy produced. So, how many solar panels would we need to power the entire planet? Given the energy produced by one solar panel, we would need approximately 160 billion solar panels to power the planet. This colossal number is derived from the total global energy consumption divided by the average annual energy output of a single solar panel. Now, imagine the land area required for such a setup. It would be approximately the size of Spain, and the cost? We're talking trillions of dollars, an amount that could make billionaires blush. That's not to mention the environmental impact of manufacturing, installing and maintaining such a vast number of panels. It's a significant consideration, given our goal is to decrease our environmental footprint, not increase it. So, while we may not be able to power the entire planet with solar panels alone, they can certainly play a significant role in our global energy solution. Harnessing the sun's energy is a step in the right direction, a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future.